Hi, I'm Andy Garrett. I'm a biologist with the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, and today we're out here with some surface resting manatees. So a surface resting manatee is a manatee that is choosing to sit at the surface and warm itself in the sun. This time of year, when the water is cold and the air is warm, manatees will go to quiet places like this canal and sit at the surface and thermal regulate. So what they're doing is they're soaking up the sun's warmth, trying to stay warm because the water is still a little bit chilly. We want to be a little bit careful because sometimes manatees that get hit by boats, sometimes it punctures a lung and they'll end up being at the surface because they'll have air in their lung cavity. So we do encourage people, if you see a manatee that looks like it's in distress, having trouble diving down, definitely call those in. But generally, animals that are surface resting like this, really nothing to worry about. Usually this is a very natural, normal behavior. We do get a lot of calls on them as people are worried there's something wrong with them or they've been sitting for long hours, but that's typically their behavior when they're resting like this. So what we're seeing here is bottom resting manatees. So these are manatees choosing to stay down on the bottom in the mud layer to stay warm. You can see that sometimes with all this kind of mud plumes, and when they come up to breathe, you'll see sometimes mud on their noses. Again, usually nothing to worry about. It's a normal behavior. It's just we want to make sure if there is some sort of struggle or distress when they're coming to the surface, or you see any kind of wounds or injuries, that those get called into our hotline.